what if the most powerful tool for your physical and mental health has been with you your entire life, but you never learned how to properly use it? This tool is called your breath. And for over 3000 years, there's a practice fully dedicated to mastering this. It's called Pranayama. If we look at the definition of Pranayama, it consists out of two words. The first word is prana, which means life energy or vital energy, and the second word is yama, which means regulation or control. Nowadays, when people think about health, they think about healthy food, they think about going outdoors, they think about exercising. And don't get me wrong, all of this is super important and super healthy. But the breath is often overlooked. When we don't breathe properly, we don't oxygenate the body enough. And there's not enough oxygen delivered into the cells and to the tissues. And therefore, the cells cannot function properly and not reproduce properly. Also, when we don't breathe properly, carbon dioxide levels in the blood are rising, making the blood more acidic. This is a perfect environment for diseases to thrive in. In our modern Western world, there are so many stressors and distractions, and up to 80% of the population has dysfunctional breathing patterns, causing all kinds of diseases. Our bodies have multiple systems working together to keep us alive and healthy. Systems such as the nervous system, the cardiovascular system, the digestive system, and the immune system. Now, with pranayama, we can control all these systems and therefore we have control over our own physical health. With control over our nervous system, we have also control over our energy system. And with the more stronger breathing techniques, we can really activate the sympathetic nervous system and therefore activate the fight or flight response and opening up the energy system. And with the more soft and gentle breathing techniques, we can activate the parasympathetic nervous system and therefore activate the rest and digest mode and calm down our bodies. Not only do we have control over our physical body with pranayama, but we also train the mind to be more focused and more in the present, and also working with the more deeper and subtler layers of ourselves, and therefore improving our mental health. And while the strong breathing techniques are a beautiful part of this practice, pranayama ultimately guides us inwards, into presence and to stillness, and into realization that everything we are searching for in life is already within us. Namaste.